Welcome back to Car Clarity, the channel where we take a deep dive into the world's most exciting vehicles. Today, we're going into something that pushes the limits of imagination and engineering. Bugatti has always been synonymous with luxury, speed, and jaw-dropping design, but in 2026, the French automaker has taken a bold step into an unexpected segment. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a machine that blends the ultra-performance DNA of a hypercar with the comfort and scale of a high-end motorhome. Let's break it down piece by piece and see why this vehicle is turning the entire automotive world on its head. Starting with the exterior, the Bugatti Motorhome is unlike anything we've ever seen on the road. At first glance, you immediately notice the iconic Bugatti front fascia. The trademark horseshoe grille sits boldly at the front, flanked by aggressive LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic yet instantly recognizable identity. The body isn't just massive, it's sculpted to perfection. Bugatti's design language has been translated into a form that balances elegance with aerodynamic efficiency, something incredibly rare in the motorhome segment. The entire structure uses advanced lightweight composites and carbon fiber panels, reducing unnecessary weight and keeping the sleek proportions intact. Instead of looking like a box on wheels, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome has sweeping curves, sharp edges, and an elongated roofline that creates the impression of constant motion even when parked. It rides on gigantic forged alloy wheels, wrapped in performance-grade tires engineered to handle both high speeds and heavy loads. Chrome accents, retractable aerodynamic flaps, and active cooling vents remind you this isn't just a luxury coach, it's a Bugatti through and through. Now, let's talk about performance, because that's the part that truly redefines what a motorhome can be. At the heart of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a hybridized version of Bugatti's legendary W16 quad-turbocharged engine, paired with advanced electric motors for instant torque delivery. The combined output pushes beyond 1,600 horsepower, an absolutely staggering number for a vehicle of this size. This isn't about going 0 to 60 in record-breaking times, although reports suggest it can achieve that in under 5 seconds. What this is really about is effortless power delivery, smooth highway cruising, and the ability to conquer long-distance travel without compromise. The hybrid system also enhances fuel efficiency and provides limited all-electric range, making short urban drives silent and emission-free. Bugatti has equipped this motorhome with an adaptive air suspension system, active aerodynamics, and a performance-tuned braking setup, ensuring that despite its size, it handles with confidence and precision. Driving it is less like maneuvering a large RV and more like piloting a Grand Tourer on steroids. It glides on highways, corners with surprising agility, and offers a level of refinement and power that simply has no equal in the motorhome market. Of course, what's power without luxury? Inside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome sets a new benchmark for interior comfort. While we're only giving a short overview here, the cabin is essentially a rolling 5-star suite. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials like fine leather, Alcantara, and polished carbon fiber accents. The driving cockpit mirrors that of Bugatti's hypercars, with a minimalist yet high-tech layout centered around a digital driver display and haptic feedback controls. The passenger and living area extend into a lounge-like space with customizable seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that bathe the interior in natural light. There's an emphasis on seamless integration of technology, with AI-assisted controls, smart glass panels, and an entertainment system that rivals those of high-end private jets. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of ultimate luxury, blending hypercar performance with the freedom of mobile living. It challenges the very definition of what a motorhome can be and sets the bar at a level most manufacturers won't even attempt to reach. This vehicle isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's for those who demand the extraordinary, who want to bring the Bugatti experience not just to the racetrack or the boulevard, but across countries and continents in unmatched comfort. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into the most unique and groundbreaking vehicles in the world, make sure to subscribe to Car Clarity and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.